Okay, so hola. I just went to an Irish bar and they do not do any food at all, which I'm not surprised because the Irish, they love their drinks. But I decided to go here, Las Rosas, but I might order a Sugar's Regal. So, or should I just be sneaky and get an espresso martini? Let's do it. Can I get a espresso martini? Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice fish.
Yeah,
We
but
have nice fish, fresh.
yeah,
Clean,
I'm not
cook on the oven.
not a fish person.
Peppers, garlic,
But I might
onions.
get gambas gabardina. That
Gambas
looks good.
gambardina.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep. And then do you just have like a
Deep
sandwich?
steak.
And then club sandwich. Yeah. No. So I got prawns with a nice dip, and then I love club sandwiches. And they got chips this time. So good. Oh, hot club. And now the club sandwich. So big.
You can fit everything in your mouth, Gareth.
I'll try, ready? Anyways, I love ya. Have a good day.